So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you use Selenium, which is a Python based library or module you can say, used for interacting with websites, especially dynamic websites. While Beautiful Soup is used for interacting with normal websites like a blog or something. So uh, you can see that this has many advantages of using Selenium. So firstly we will move in our VS Code and let's see what this can do is. Firstly we will move in our VS Code and open your desired folder. First you can do this by clicking on file button and then open folder, and then just open your required folder. I have already created a folder for this project and we will create a file named as app.py. This will take some seconds. Now what you have to do is just go in your terminal and then new terminal, then click on this and then type pip install Selenium. Okay, this will take some seconds. Since I have already installed this, that's why this is showing that requirement already satisfied. So we will close this terminal and we can now type out our code. Firstly we have to import our Selenium module, some classes or some required things from our Selenium module. From Selenium, import WebDriver. WebDriver is a thing you can see which is used to interact with your web browsers. Okay, then what you have to import is from selenium.webdriver.common.by, this one. This will be you can say used for finding the particular data in our website, like a h1 tag or something like that. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to set up the driver equal to webdriver.chrome. We will be using WebDriver of Chrome now, and then driver.get. Here I will be using a random website, that is example.com. and then what you have to do is we have to find out the heading. We will find out the heading, like we will execute the code for all the headings, that is the h1 tags out there. Heading equals this one. Heading equals drivers.find element by. We have to find the element. We have to tell the driver that you have to find the element by tag name, and tag name will be h1 tag. Okay, and then you have to print the heading.text. And then what you have to do is just simply you can say driver.quit and then print code executed successfully. You can say web scraping completed successfully. Now save this. Firstly we will go in this website to check that what's the h1 tag here. Okay, open this. Just go in your inspect element and check for the h1 tag. You can see this is the h1 tag, that is the example domain, and this is the paragraph tag, this is the anchor tag, and this is the complete HTML out there. Okay, we will go with this h1 tag. Just save this program and run Python file. This will open a web page firstly, and then when the scrapping will be done, this will close this automatically. Okay, you can see this DevTools listening on this particular port, and then this is the required thing which we have extracted using h1 tag. You can see this. So if I want to execute using paragraph tag, just go ahead and type here p, that's it, and run your Python file again. This will go and again check for this. You can see this domain is for use in illustrative examples and documents. Okay, you can see this that our paragraph tag is also getting printed. We can check this. So yeah, this was our paragraph tag. If you want to do this with the anchor tag too, you can also do that. Let's also check this one, anchor tag. Okay, I guess I have not saved this one. Now save this and then just simply run it again. Now you can see this more information one, which was our anchor tag. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.